Okay, sorry for the low light conditions, guys, but I can't go to sleep with lights on. I do have a black light and a lava lamp, and my computer screen's also on to maximize lighting conditions here, so the camera can record. But the SD card in it's like a 32 gig, so it can record. It can record for a while. It's about 11:13 right now, and I'm gonna try to get some sleep before I pass out. Every time it seems like I go to sleep, something ends up waking me up, and I'm not sure if it's just like nightmares or sounds or whatever. So I'm just gonna set this thing to record for as long as the SD card will last. And if anything substantial happens, hopefully this will catch it. If I don't wake up or whatever. So yeah. Oh my God. Okay, I don't know if the I don't know if the camera picked that up, but I just heard a really fucking loud noise. Holy shit. What the fuck is that noise? Do you hear that? If I had to take a guess, I would say is this, because I heard a metallic kind of sound. And you gotta be shitting me that it's blue. And people think I'm fucking joking with this, and it's all in my head that everything that's getting messed with is blue, but it's not. People don't even realize all this blue shit in this drawer right here got messed with. I mean, it's too much to be a coincidence now. Like, I don't even know. I don't even know. Like, I'm just gonna go. Like, I don't even know why I'm recording this stuff, because it just makes the problem worse.